Hey there! Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about why reducing plastic matters and how you can start. So if you want to find out more, stay with us till the end of this video. It lingers for hundreds of years, polluting our oceans, harming wildlife, and even entering our food chain. By understanding the impact of plastic pollution and making conscious choices, we can protect our planet and ensure a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. From the clothes we wear to the gadgets we use, it's a versatile material that offers convenience and durability. Every year, plastic waste kills over 1 million seabirds and over 100,000 marine mammals. Animals often mistake plastic for food, leading to starvation, injury, and death. When they eat or get entangled in plastic, it disrupts their ability to find nourishment or can cause severe wounds that lead to infection. Plastic bags are incredibly convenient, but they have a significant impact. Not only do they fill up landfills, but they also take hundreds of years to decompose. Opting for reusable alternatives is a simple yet effective step. With a little imagination, you can transform ordinary containers into something extraordinary. Clean and dry containers thoroughly before reusing them. Plastic containers are versatile and can be used to organize small items, store leftovers, or even create DIY projects. Encourage your friends and family to join you in these efforts and inspire others to do the same. Reduce your plastic usage, care for the environment, and pave the way for a sustainable future. Every small step matters, and together we can make a big impact. Each of us has the power to make a difference. By understanding the far-reaching consequences of plastic waste, we can all take action. From supporting organizations that are cleaning up our oceans to advocating for better waste management systems in our communities, there are numerous ways to get involved. Until next time, stay curious, stay engaged, and keep inspiring others to protect our beautiful planet. Together, we can create a positive change and protect our planet from plastic pollution. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. The cumulative impact of our individual actions can create a powerful force for change. Let's work together to create a world where plastic pollution is reduced, wildlife thrives, and future generations can enjoy a cleaner, healthier planet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Stay updated with our latest videos. Share what you've learned with friends and family. Engage in beach or river cleanup events and support businesses that prioritize sustainability. We must strive to make conscious choices in our daily lives. Consider the environmental impact of the products we buy, the actions we take, and the waste we generate. By embracing a mindset of responsibility and care for the environment, we can drive positive change. Glass jars are great for homemade sauces, pickled vegetables, or as drinking glasses. Get creative with cookie tins, muffin trays, and other baking containers. Find new uses for them beyond their original purpose. By reusing containers, you prevent them from becoming waste and reduce the demand for new plastic items. It's an easy yet impactful way to cut down on plastic consumption. Instead of disposable water bottles, carry a reusable stainless steel or BPA-free plastic bottle. These bottles keep your drinks safe and reduce plastic waste. Similarly, straws and cutlery should be replaced with reusable options such as metal, bamboo, or wood. If you're on the go, invest in a collapsible straw that you can easily carry in your bag. By avoiding single-use plastics, you minimize the amount of plastic that ends up in landfills or polluting our environment. By simply carrying a reusable bag like canvas or jute, you can reduce your plastic footprint. These materials are durable, washable, and a much better choice for the environment. They prioritize sustainability and provide a wide range of eco-friendly products. By supporting these stores, you contribute to a plastic-free economy and inspire others to adopt sustainable practices. If there aren't any zero-waste stores near you, consider shopping at farmers markets or local producers who use minimal packaging. Look for products with minimal or recyclable packaging. Choose items made from recycled materials, and support businesses that prioritize sustainability. By making conscious purchasing decisions, you can significantly reduce your plastic footprint. Before you leave the house, make sure you have your reusable bag with you. Keep one in your car, by the door, or in your bag so you always have it handy. When you go shopping, politely refuse plastic bags and use your reusable alternative. If you forget your bag and the only option is a plastic one, then reuse it for other purposes. For example, use it to hold your groceries while you unload them from your car, or use it as a trash can liner. Although it's best not to use plastic bags at all, reusing them for other purposes is better than discarding them immediately. Remember, Every small step makes a difference. Imagine a sea turtle mistaking a plastic bag for a jellyfish or a seal getting entangled in discarded fishing nets. These heartbreaking scenarios are not uncommon. Buying in bulk is a smart way to save money and reduce plastic waste. It's a win-win situation. You can buy the products you need in larger quantities and avoid excessive packaging. Many stores allow you to bring your own containers to fill up with bulk items like grains, nuts, and spices. This way you cut down on the use of single-use plastic bags and packaging. Planning ahead is key. Make a list of items you frequently use and need in bulk. Check your pantry staples and avoid unnecessary purchases. When you go shopping, bring along your own reusable containers. Glass containers are excellent for dry goods, while airtight containers are great for liquids and spices. By buying in bulk and using reusable containers, you not only reduce plastic waste, but also show your commitment to a healthier planet. However, this convenience comes at a cost. Once we discard it, plastic waste starts to accumulate in landfills, polluting our environment and posing risks to wildlife and human health. Let's dive deeper into the issue. And the sad part is that most of it could have been avoided. Every minute, the equivalent of a garbage truck of plastic is dumped into our oceans. It breaks down into particles smaller than a sesame seed called microplastics that contaminate water, soil, and even the air we breathe. As animals die or suffer from plastic ingestion, they lose their ability to reproduce. This decline in population can trigger a chain reaction affecting predators and prey species that rely on them. In addition, microplastics have been found in drinking water, food, and even human blood. While research is ongoing to understand the long-term effects, it's essential to recognize that these particles can pose risks to human health. They can disrupt hormonal functions, damage DNA, and trigger inflammatory responses. Have you ever wondered where all the plastic we throw away ends up? It doesn't just disappear, but it's not too late to turn the tide. Plastic has become an integral part of our daily lives. One of the most alarming consequences of plastic pollution is its impact on marine life. But the impact goes beyond individual animals. Plastic pollution disrupts entire ecosystems. It may seem like a daunting task, but every step counts. So here are 5 easy ways you can start making a difference today. Swap number 1. Ditch the plastic bags. Instead, carry a reusable bag with you. Number 2. Bulk up on your savings. Number 3. Avoid single-use plastics. Single-use plastics, particularly disposable water bottles, straws, and cutlery, contribute significantly to plastic pollution. Number 4. Reuse containers. Instead of discarding plastic containers, glass jars, and other food containers after a single use, find creative ways to reuse them. Number 5. Support local zero-waste stores. Zero-waste stores offer plastic-free alternatives and encourage customers to bring their own containers. By implementing these easy steps into your daily routine, you can make a substantial difference. Take action today and be the change you want to see in the world. Did you find this video informative and helpful? Tell us in the comments below. As we conclude this journey through the impacts of plastic pollution and the ways to reduce our reliance on single-use plastics, let's reflect on the collective responsibility we have toward protecting our planet. Let's continue to spread awareness about the issue of plastic pollution. As we move forward, let's remember that every small step counts. Thank you for joining us on this important topic. Together, we can make a difference.